Unleashing joy, the essence of kick up one's heels. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and expressive phrase that captures the essence of joy and celebration. Kick up one's heels. This idiom is a colorful part of the English language, and understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also give you insight into the culture behind the language. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and its origins to help you fully grasp its significance. The phrase, kick up one's heels, is used to describe letting go of worries and having a good time. It's all about releasing pent-up energy or celebrating with abandon. When someone says they're kicking up their heels, they're essentially saying they're enjoying themselves freely and without restraint. This idiom can be used in various contexts, whether it's a literal dance move at a party or a metaphorical expression of feeling liberated and joyful. Using kick up one's heels in conversation adds a lively and playful element to your speech. Here are some examples to illustrate its use. After the final exams, I can't wait to kick up my heels and forget about school for a while. At a celebration, look at Grandma kicking up her heels on the dance floor. She's having the time of her life. In a figurative sense, this weekend I'm going to kick up my heels and relax at the beach. It's a versatile phrase that can liven up both casual conversations and written stories, making the language more vibrant and engaging. Understanding the origins of idioms can often deepen our appreciation for them. The expression, kick up one's heels, has roots in physical movements that express joy and liberation. Historically, it might have referred to the act of dancing or literally kicking one's heels together in the air out of excitement. Over time, it evolved to symbolize a broader sense of celebration, freedom, and joy beyond just physical expressions. This idiom captures the universal feeling of letting loose and enjoying life's moments to the fullest. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, kick up one's heels, and can now use it to add some zest to your English conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the expressions that bring color to our communications and help us connect with others on an emotional level. So go ahead, find a reason to kick up your heels, and experience the joy of English language and culture. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.